Welcome to Concierge Recommends. Let us explore Baku and Azerbaijan with me. We're in front of Ali Shamsi Workshop, an explosion of colors and creativity. He is one of Azerbaijani's most unique artists who transformed the space into a magical land of his imagination. If you are a lucky one, then you might get a chance to talk to Mr. Shamsi about his work. His paintings are as vivid as his imagination. Ali's arts remind us that creativity has no boundaries. Here the past and present come together, creating a truly unforgettable experience. There is so much more to discover in Baku. Stay with us as we continue exploring the city's hidden gems, where every corner holds an